StatStream. Measure what matters.
Hello everyone. Today we are going to see how to configure Phoenix Contact PLC ILC-131 to push data to a cloud platform using the MQTT broker. First, let us see the basic architecture diagram. Here we are sending data from critical industrial equipments through ILC-131 to any cloud IoT platform using MQTT protocol. PCWorks is basic configuration tool for Phoenix PLC. First, you have to start creating a new project by selecting the PLC model number, here ILC-131. We need to have all the basic libraries to start programming the PLC. You will get all the libraries on official Phoenix Contact website. First, we have to add Resais Basic. Now we are adding SE Basic. Please make sure to add libraries in same sequence. Now this is the MQTT library. Now we are adding IT library. This is for converting DNS to IP. This function block can be used to request the IP address assigned to a hostname from a DNS server. Now this is the firmware library. We have to build the entire project. We have to see the error if any. Here you can see we did not have any error. We have to go to logical POUs, and inside main we can find MQTT. Now we have to add the MQTT blocks from the MQTT library that we imported in our project. Here, as you can see, we have multiple blocks like MQTT client, publish, subscribe, etc. First, we will add the client block. Set activate flag to true. Xconnect flag is a bool variable. We will simply write xconnect under name field. This is MQTT broker flag to connect our PLC MQTT client to the broker MQTT. Now we are going to StatStream, which is an IoT data analytics platform where you can easily visualize your critical industrial parameters. Here we got our MQTT credentials. For MQTT broker flag, we need only IP as it only accepts the IP as an input to connect with the MQTT client. So we need to add and select DNS library so it converts DNS to IP. Here we have added it. Now we will set our broker hostname here under DNS IP variable, give it a name, and set the hostname under initial value field. Here we are using an inbuilt MQTT broker in StatStream, but you can use MQTT brokers like Mosquito MQTT or Hive MQTT as per your choice. Hostname flag is the Internet Gateway flag, so we will add our router IP gateway here, as we need internet connection for running and connecting the PLC to external systems. Here we again build to check the error. This building process is very crucial to check whether our program is error-free or not. Also, simply set the broker IP flag, as this will actually help to resolve our broker DNS name to IP. After resolving the DNS, we have to set the port. You can find that port on your broker, like here in StatStream. Please make sure you enter the port correctly. Now we will set the variable name. Here is broker port and the value of the port as 1883 under initial value. Now here we can see the client identifier field, which is in string data type. Now set the client identifier flag that lets us understand that this is Phoenix 131 client. As it is string, we need to add single quotes. Now set the username as MQTT, as shown on your credentials in StatStream. Here we are adding the initial value as MQTT for variable username. Now we have to set password variable and its initial value. Now set the password as shown on your credentials in StatStream. We need to set clean sessions as true and also set retain flag to true. Also here we are setting QoS to 0 in our case. These are all essential MQTT flags. This is an interface for MQTT client. You need to set the interface to successfully connect the client to the broker. Now again, we have to build it and check for errors if any. We have 0 errors here. Now we have to add PLC IP address here. There is another tool with namenet names to set IP address. When you hit the refresh button, you will be able to see the PLC IP. And this is our PLC IP. Let us test it over here, and we can see the PLC can access the internet. Now we build it again to find the error if any. Here we have to write the program in PLC. For that we need to download the program to the PLC. Now you can cold start the PLC to run the downloaded program. Let us run the program. Under debug, set the request flag value to true. Now the DNS is resolved, as you can see the numeric IP address in the MQTT client block under broker IP. Here the PLC MQTT client is connected to the StatStream broker successfully. To publish a message, we again need to add a publish block over here from the MQTT library. First, we need to define a variable client connected. We have to add an end block that will connect to the publish block. Let us add publish bit variable here as shown on the screen. Now we will quickly create a device. Here in StatStream, to create a device, we have to give only name/label and description. After creating the device, you can get the connection details for the device in Connect Data. We will get the MQTT topic from the Connect tab. We will now create random_numbers variable. Now we will add the same topic in the publish block of our PLC program. For StatStream, we have to add the variable ID to the topic. So we are adding that variable ID to our topic in PLC. Here you can see that we have set the topic string. Here the message require must be in string format, so we have to convert the real to string. You have to find real, and then you have to add real to string option to convert real format to string format. If you right-click, then you will see the help article as well for the string format. You can select the format of the message. Here we want before decimal 4 digits and after decimal only 2 digits, so we have set it accordingly. Input would have the same variable name, random_numbers. This is output of our message with name, message_random_numbers. Now we have to set the string output, message random numbers, to string message flag of MQTT publish block. We also need a path to connect to the client. Here we have to add the UDT exchange. So we need to copy the UDT exchange value from the client and paste it under the same flag and publish block. Let us do the same for payload flag. We again build the program to see the error and the warnings if any. Now we will download and test the entire program. The project is getting downloaded here. We again cold start the PLC. Now we are running it in debug mode. In this step, we are making connection to our MQTT broker, and you can see it shows connected status. Here we are publishing the messages. Let's publish a random number value 156.2. Now as you can see, we got the value after publishing the messages, and we can see it in StatStream. In History tab of your device, you can see the values published by your device with timestamp. We can check our message format under Debug screen in StatStream. Now let us publish our message to check it under Debug screen. As you can see, we got the message with some random number. So that's how you can send and publish your MQTT message from Phoenix Contact ILC-131 PLC to any cloud IoT platform. Thanks for watching this video. Do subscribe to our channel to view more videos on industrial automation, PLC programming, and lot more. Thanks.
Contact us for end-to-end IoT solutions as per your business needs.